Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today I've got a nice treat for you guys. Today I'll be making some peanut drops, but there is a twist. I'm gonna use almond with it. So this is the almond that I will be using. So these are all the ingredients. I'll be using just a cup of brown sugar and ginger also as a must. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please continue to watch and you will see the final result. So hi guys, so this is the ginger. I grated it. Make sure you grate your ginger so it look just like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna use 3 glasses of water. 3 glasses of water. I will be using hot water. So I'm just gonna put the water in the pot now. So hi guys, so I put the water in the pot. So the water is really hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my ginger to it. So when it comes to a boil, I add my nuts to the pot. Make sure you cover your pot guys, put a lid on it. So guys, I'm just gonna remove the cover from the pot. So I'm just gonna add my almond nut and my peanut and my sugar. So this is how it looks guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check it within 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna put back the lid on it. Hi guys, so this is my almond and peanut drops. This is how it look. So it's been cooking for 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna take my spoon and stir it. As you can see, the water is going down. This is exactly what I want. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check back on it for the next 30 minutes and I will show you guys how it look. So this is how the almond peanut drops look guys. So it's getting really thick, I'm telling you. So I'm just gonna stir it. Looking so nice and so lovely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna continue to stir it. I'm just gonna leave it guys for the next 10 minutes and I'll come back to you guys shortly. So hi guys, this is exactly what I want. This is how it look. It's very thick, so it's ready now guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly put it on the file for you guys and show you guys how it look. Hi guys, so this is what I'm gonna put my almond and peanut drops on. I'm gonna put it on a file. In Jamaica I will use a banana leaf, but I am not in Jamaica, so I'm just gonna use a file. So I'm just gonna use my spoon guys and just put it on there just like that. Just make sure you use a big spoon. So hi guys, so after I finish, this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it to dry for at least half an hour. But this is how it look guys. Does it look so nice and so delicious? I'm telling you guys, I can't wait to heat some. Hi guys, so this is how my almond peanut drops look guys. It's still as in dry, so I'm gonna have to leave it for a couple hours because I want it to really dry. And I know, because I do this. As you can see, it's still stick to the file, so it's not dry. So I'm just gonna leave it. Hi guys, so the almond and peanut drops is finally finished. I had to leave it overnight guys because the almond take long to dry, but it's finally dry now. So once you see it come off the file, you can just know it's dry. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it look on the plate. Alright guys, so this is how the almond and the peanut drops look on the plate, and I'm telling you guys, they look so amazing and so delicious and so nice. Guys, I'm just gonna quickly try a piece for you guys and tell you guys how it tastes, okay? Guys, that tastes so nice. I'm telling you, the almond goes so well with the peanut. Guys, try this dish. Please try it. It tastes so nice. The ginger, oh my days, so nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.